In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Keep notes with others. Google Keep is a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts, to-do lists, and more, and sharing these notes can make collaborations much smoother. Whether you're working with a team or just want to share your grocery list with a family member, Google Keep makes it easy. Let's walk through the steps. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google's application suite. If you're already familiar with the Google homepage, you'll see a small grid icon usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon to bring up a list of all Google applications available to you. Now let's locate Google Keep from this list. You should see the familiar yellow light bulb icon for Keep among the other applications. Once you click on Google Keep, it will take you to your homepage filled with all of your beautifully curated notes. Now to share a particular note, find and click on the note you'd like to share. Selecting it is as simple as giving it a quick click, which will expand the note for you to view all details and make edits if necessary. Next, to share your selected note, look for a small icon that resembles a silhouette of a person with a plus symbol. This is your collaborator button. Click on this collaborator button. It will open a dialog box where you can add collaborators by entering their email addresses. This is where the sharing magic happens. Enter the email address of the person you want to share this note with. Remember, sharing is caring, so make sure you've got the correct email before hitting send. Once you've entered the email addresses of your chosen collaborators, confirm the information and they'll soon receive access to the note. They will then receive an invitation to view and edit the note directly from their Google Keep interface. Sharing notes with others on Google Keep can significantly enhance productivity and ensure everyone stays on the same page. Whether it's for a project, a shared shopping list, or even just brainstorming ideas, it's a feature designed for easy collaboration. Make sure everyone involved has an active Google account, as this is a requirement to access and edit the notes through Google Keep. And there you have it, you've successfully shared your Google Keep note with your desired collaborators. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore